In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix YouTube's picture-in-picture not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, picture-in-picture, also called PiP, lets you watch YouTube in a small floating window while using other apps. If it's not working, it can obviously be very frustrating, but to fix it, what you're going to want to do is actually completely close out of the YouTube app by swiping out of it and opening up your phone's settings. Scroll down a little bit, you're going to see general on here. Go ahead and open it up. This may vary, slightly depending on which device you're currently on, but scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is picture in picture. Open this up, make sure it's turned on. If it was off, go ahead and turn it on, test YouTube again. If you're outside of the United States, you will need YouTube Premium for picture in picture to work. If you're inside of the United States, it should work without Premium, but some videos may not support it. If you don't have Premium and you're outside of the US, that may be the issue. If it's still not working for you, go ahead and open up the YouTube app again, wait for it to load, and then hit your profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, tap the settings gear up in the top right, scroll down until you see playback and open that up, and then scroll down and just make sure that picture in picture is enabled as well. Now play a video, swipe out of the app, and if everything is set up correctly, the video should continue playing in a small floating window. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.